Suppose you have lost your phone, or for any reason you no longer have that phone, and you have lost access to your Google Authenticator, and you want to put your Google Authenticator back on the new phone that you've got. So let me show you how you can recover your Google Authenticator. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. With that said, let's dive into the video. So right away, you're going to go on Gmail. Then on Gmail, you are going to click on settings. Then on settings, you click on see all settings. Then you click on accounts and imports. Then you click on other Google account settings. Then here you click on security. So under here, you have two options. You can click on authenticator, or you can click on two-factor verification. So let me use two-factor verification. So under here, you're going to put your password to show that you are the one. So after putting your password, then you click next. So once you reach here, you can see that already right now I have the Infinix Smart 2 and I want to put my Google Authenticator on TechnoSpark 3. So you come here on Authenticator app and you click on it. So under here, you can see that change Authenticator app, then you click here. So once you reach here, they tell you first go on your phone, then you download on Play Store your Google Authenticator app back on your phone. Then after there, you're going to scan this code. After scanning it, then you click next. So you put the code, automatically I've got the code on my phone. So I'm going to put the code that I've got. Of course, this one is wrong. So after clicking there, you're going to say verify. Once you click on verify, automatically you will have changed the Google Authenticator on your phone. Hope you've got everything well. So please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon on this very channel. Bye for today. Good luck.